Keep scrolling, little bunny. This video is not for you. Just go away. Don't watch this video. There's better things to do with your time. Just keep scrolling. I bet something is really good right after this. Why don't you go see what the next video is? Oh, I bet it's so good, little bunny. So get on out of here, scamper. Go ahead. Go away. Bye, little bunny. Get going, little bunny. What are you still doing here? You like being with me. Is that it? Do I make you feel comfy or cute or cared for? Oh, you're all those things, little bunny. You're all of them. And if you're still here, which you are, that means all the people we don't want to be here have long since scrolled away. So now that it's just us, say hi to your fellow bunnies in the comments.
Open up. Open up. There we go. There we go. Good girl. You love giving me back talk. You know I love taking care of you. Come on. Listen to me. You need to just trust me. There we go, sweet girl.